Hello everyone, welcome to project number 1 for your nutrition class this spring. This project is now in Blackboard under the coursework section. So watch this little video and then read all of the instructions that I have here. This is due on March 18th, so you have a little bit of time to get this done. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be analyzing 2 different recipes that I've given you here for their nutritional content, and you're going to be answering some questions about the information that you have found. So read through the read through the instructions, and then down here you'll see some files that you'll need to work with. You have 2 recipes that you're going to be working with. You have some information about daily nutritional values, and then this is another copy of the instructions for this project. So what you're doing is you're going to be analyzing these recipes, and how you do that is by going to this website called Happy Forks. So you'll click on the link, and it'll take you to this website called Happy Forks, which is a nutritional analysis website. It's kind of cool. What you do is you click on the recipe analyzer, and you can use any recipe that you have to find out its nutritional content, but you're going to be using the 2 recipes that I've supplied here today. So you come down to the recipe analyzer, and then what you do is you open up one of your recipes. Right now we have the recipe for chicken marsala. So you're going to copy the ingredients. So highlight the ingredients, copy them, just the ingredients, nothing else. And then you're going to paste them into this box on the website. All right, so copy, paste, all the ingredients are there. You're going to come down and change the serving amount because this recipe is for 4 servings. And then you're going to analyze the recipe by clicking that button. This then gives you all the information about the results of this nutritional analysis. So it lists all of the ingredients here. It lists the calories per ingredients. Scroll down and make sure this looks correct, the ingredients are correct. And then when you keep coming down, you're going to see the nutritional breakdown per serving of this recipe. So you'll see how many calories per serving, how much protein. It breaks down the calories into protein, fat, and carbs. And then if you keep scrolling, you'll see lots of other information about the vitamin content, the fiber, sugars, how much fat, how much protein in each serving. So you're going to use this information from Happy Forks to continue on with the project. Okay. What the project is telling you to do is to create a document for each recipe. And on that document, you're going to list the information that I'm asking for here. And you're going to get that info from the recipe analysis. How many calories in each serving of that recipe? How many calories from fat? So forth and so on. Once you've listed that information on this document, you're then going to answer these questions, these 3 questions. So for example, the first question says, compare the sodium level of one portion of the recipe to the dietary guidelines. So if you open up the dietary guidelines, and these of course are from the FDA as of 2020, this shows you how much of a nutrient the FDA wants you to have on a daily basis. So let's say we're looking for sodium. So scroll down until you find sodium. It's in here somewhere. Okay, so the FDA recommends that we have 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day. Okay, and then what did the recipe analyzer say as far as how much sodium is in this recipe? Let's see, let's find it on here. 1,360 milligrams. So this one serving of this recipe has more than half of the recommended sodium requirements for a daily consumption. So tell me about that. What does the level of sodium compare? What do you think about that? And you're going to do that for a few other nutrients. Okay, so that's the project. You're going to do that process with 2 recipes. You're going to answer these questions, and then fill in this information, and then answer these 3 questions. So when you're done, you'll be submitting those two documents to me. Okay, you can submit them right here in the project. You'll just attach the document to the project. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Again, this is March 18th, so you've got plenty of time to work on this. So go have a good day. Thanks, everybody.